So this is a newer one that I've written. This is I call this Waterfall.